Stop. Before you go anywhere, can I ask you something?
Go ahead, Kate.
Do you ever feel like you study English every day, but when someone speaks to you, your mind just goes blank?
Oh, yes. Like the words disappear from your brain at the worst moment.
Exactly. You know the grammar, you know the words, but speaking? That feels impossible.
Well, today, we have something very special for you.
We are going to help you unlock your English fluency with a story.
And trust me, this changes everything.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Kate.
Hi, everyone. I am Martin. Thank you so much for being here today.
We are so happy you clicked on this video. Really, welcome.
And if this is your first time here, hello, you are in the right place.
We make videos to help you learn English in a natural and easy way.
No boring grammar books, no confusing rules.
Just real conversations, fun stories, and simple practice.
Exactly. We like to keep things relaxed here.
So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's learn English together today.
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, Martin, let's talk about today's topic.
Yes, so today we are learning English through a story.
And this is really important because stories are one of the best ways to learn a language.
That's true. When you read a story or listen to one, your brain starts to remember words naturally.
You don't have to try to memorize, it just happens.
Like magic.
Kind of, yes.
And today's story is for A2 level learners, so the English is clear, simple, and easy to follow.
Perfect for beginners and also for people who want to review their English.
And after the story, we will talk about it together, just like we are doing right now.
So you practice listening and speaking, two skills at the same time.
Okay, are you ready for the story?
I am so ready. So here is today's story. It is called The New Job.
Oh, I love this one.
Let me read it for you. Listen carefully and try to understand the main ideas. Anna is 28 years old. She lives in a small apartment in the city. She works at a coffee shop. Every day, she wakes up at 6 in the morning, makes breakfast, and takes the bus to work. Anna loves her job. She loves talking to customers and making coffee. But one day, something exciting happens. Her friend Sarah calls her. Anna, Sarah says, there is a new job at my company. It is an office job. The pay is better. You should apply. Anna is nervous. She has never worked in an office before. She thinks, what if I make mistakes? What if I am not good enough? But Anna is brave. She prepares her resume. She practices for the interview. She wakes up early on interview day. She wears her best clothes. At the interview, the manager asks her many questions. Anna speaks slowly and carefully. She is honest. She says, I don't know everything about office work, but I am a fast learner. The manager smiles. 3 days later, Anna gets a phone call. Congratulations, Anna. You got the job. Anna is so happy. She calls Sarah immediately. I got it. I got the job. Sarah laughs and says, I knew you could do it. Anna starts her new job the next Monday. It is different. It is a little scary, but she is happy because she was brave enough to try.
I love that story. It is so real.
It is, right? It feels like something that could happen to any of us.
Okay, so let's talk about it. First, who is the main character?
Anna. She is 28, she works at a coffee shop, and she gets a chance for a new job.
And what is her big problem in the story?
She is nervous. She doesn't believe in herself. She thinks, what if I fail?
That sounds familiar.
Very familiar. We all feel like that sometimes.
I remember when I started learning Spanish, I was so scared to speak. I thought everyone would laugh at me.
And did they laugh?
No, they were actually very kind. I was scared for nothing.
That's such a good point. We create fear in our minds, but most of the time, it is not real.
Exactly. Anna was scared too, but she was brave. She tried anyway.
And what happened?
She got the job.
Yes, because she was honest at the interview. She said, I am a fast learner. She didn't pretend to know everything.
That is so smart. Honesty is powerful.
It really is. Okay, let's look at some words from the story. Easy ones.
Yes, good idea.
First word, nervous. Martin, what does nervous mean?
Nervous means you feel a little scared or worried about something. Like before a big test, you feel nervous.
Perfect. Second word, brave. Anna was brave.
Brave means you do something even when you are scared. You do it anyway.
Like learning English.
Exactly. Learning a new language takes bravery.
And the last word, immediately. Anna called Sarah immediately.
Immediately means right away, without waiting, like right now, this second.
Great. So nervous, brave, immediately. Remember those words.
Okay, Kate, can we talk about how to use stories to improve English?
Yes, great idea. So, tip number 1, read or listen to the story more than one time.
That's so important. The first time, just understand the main idea. Don't stop at every word.
Right. The second time, look at the details. Notice the vocabulary.
And the third time, try to tell the story in your own words.
Oh, that is a great exercise. Just close the book and say, okay, what happened in the story?
Even if your English is not perfect, it doesn't matter. Just speak.
Tip number 2, write 3 new words from the story in a notebook.
Only 3?
Yes, just 3. Because if you try to learn 20 words, you remember 0.
That is so true. I have done that. Too many words, I forget all of them.
But 3 words you can remember. You can use them.
Tip number 3. Use the new words today in a sentence, even a simple one.
Like, I felt nervous before my English class. Or, my friend called me immediately.
Perfect. Real sentences from your real life.
That is how language becomes part of you.
Okay, let's practice together now. I will say something and you try to answer in your head. Ready?
This is great. Let's go.
Question 1. What does Anna do every morning?
Good. The answer is she wakes up at 6, makes breakfast, and takes the bus to work.
Great. Question 2. Why is Anna nervous?
Because she has never worked in an office before. She is worried about making mistakes.
Excellent. And question 3. What does Anna say at the interview?
She says, I don't know everything, but I am a fast learner. Honest and confident.
Perfect. Now your turn. Try to tell the story of Anna in just 4 or 5 sentences. You can pause the video and try it right now.
Yes, pause here, speak out loud. Don't be shy.
And when you come back, we will be here.
We are not going anywhere. Okay, we want to say something important now.
Yes, something we really mean.
Learning English is not easy. We know that. It takes time.
There will be days when you feel like you are not improving. Days when you want to give up.
But please, don't give up.
Every mistake you make is a step forward. Every word you try, even the wrong word, it teaches you something.
Think about Anna. She was scared. She almost didn't apply for the job.
But she tried, and that one decision changed her life.
Your English journey is the same. One conversation, one video, one story can change everything.
So keep going. We believe in you, really.
And remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Even we make mistakes.
All the time.
So please be kind to yourself. You are doing amazing.
Okay, time for our question of the day.
We love this part because we love reading your answers in the comments.
Today's question is, think about a time you were nervous, like Anna. What happened? And were you brave?
Write your answer below. In English, even 1 or 2 sentences is perfect.
There are no wrong answers. We read every comment.
Every single one.
Okay, everyone, that is our video for today.
Thank you so much for watching. You are incredible for being here.
Seriously, the fact that you are learning English every day, that is something to be proud of.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
We make new videos every day.
Hit the bell button too so you never miss an episode.
And share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
That is so true.
All right, everyone. This is Martin saying, keep practicing, keep smiling.
And this is Kate saying, you are closer to fluency than you think.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Take care.